I'm back with another episode on my channel. I'm back again, guys, and I want to give you another tour of Camden again, guys. So this is part 2. Let us do this tour, guys. And I'm also there with D-Mac. D-Mac is still over there doing this thing as well. Yeah, so we're still here, guys, you know, so we're still here together. So yeah, so we're going to be showing you a bit of this market, guys. So this is still a part of Camden market, but this is the other side, guys. So time to show you part 2 on the different side of Camden market. Let us get into this video.
In real life, man. Wave to the camera. Okay.
Guys, I really hope you're enjoying the Camden market. The Camden market is so amazing, guys. I'm enjoying every single minute of it, guys. So I hope you're enjoying it. And the prices are here as well, guys. You know, for the food, the clothes is very reasonable, guys. So I really hope you guys are still enjoying this video. in trouble. I've got you ladies on camera. I'm in trouble. Oh, police is gonna arrest me. Oh no, please don't call the police. No. I'm joking, I'm joking. Have a nice day. I like them, they are so funny. I like that. Anyway, guys, yes, let's continue. Blue eyes. And around it. Wow, those cones are very unique. I've never seen a cone look like this. My God, that's very unique, isn't it? Look at this one as well, guys. This one is stuffed with blueberry, strawberry, and also a few biscuits, including the banana. Hello, family. Yes, please. Thank you. Thank you so much. Strawberry and chocolate, guys. It's delicious. So this is a strawberry shop here. And the strawberry ladies are over there. The strawberry princess.
And also we have smoothie.
What's this?
Smoothie.
Smoothie.
The bestseller number 15. Smoothie number 15.
Number 15, yeah. Oh, yeah, I can see there, right? Number 15, right? Number 15, okay.
Nice.
It's very nice. Squishy, number 15, guys. So this is it, guys, number 15.
Hey guys, come
That one is blended with raspberry, blueberry, orange, and strawberry. Thank you so much. Yeah, I like your eyes.
Thank you.
It's got pretty eyes. Amazing eye color.
Hi.
Would you like to try our falafel right now? Try our falafel, okay? The vegan falafel.
Vegan?
Yes.
Okay. Falafel.
Take a small bite, okay? It's still hot inside, but not spicy.
Okay.
Are you vegan or vegetarian? Vegetarian?
Vegan.
You like spicy?
Yeah, that's fast. Yeah.
Give you some spicy as well, okay? Enjoy my friend.
Yes, Dima, you like it, eh? Wicked, eh?
Right.
Yeah, man. It's wicked, man. Wicked, yeah?
Wow.
Yeah, man.
Yes, these are our menu, okay? This is the menu box coming with all the fresh salad, homemade for you. If you like spicy, you like spicy as well.
Okay.
Write my telephone number. Yes, which number you have?
Camden, check out this stuff here.
My name is Krishna.
Krishna?
Krishna.
Krishna.
Okay. Alright. So, you wanna order something?
Walk around.
Or you